we're going to cover system technical data right here. So once I click on that, then it's going to go into information. So general information about your engine, transmission, ABS, whatever. Like I said before, all of this changes to whatever you're in, whatever system. So it's just information. So fuel system, lubrication, torque specs, intake and exhaust, and cooling system. And depending on the engine, it depends on how much information. So newer engines more, older engines less. It also has what's called a components list. So components list will go in and allow you to search up the different parts. So if you're looking for the soot sensor and you need information on that, this is where you're going to find all that. And then once you're finished, all you simply do is diagnostic menu, and it puts you right back to where you began.